Gubernur Menteri kelajeng menjeruk ban penterikam ya Pla Tangka Cooperative Society PTCS na kementar ki kenhun bayrap daladia-ladia negi self-help group jong ki Longkmie ban penia rekejing sengkam kejong ki hakishnong keberan ki tanong kendong jong kejela Meghalaya. Menteri rang ba kejela uluang ba kejing don ki self-help group kelakiau na kasau hajar kesenam hajar katra capalat sanpue hajar hendreu spa anyuk sau teli mentah. Bagajing don kidkot kelakiau nakalai pu hajar syaga san point arlak ngot kikenthai. Bagajing penyat pisah jong self help group kelakiau nakasau pu kelur tengka syaga si hajar kelur tengka. Ukondar kongkal sama uluang baka Pla Tangka Cooperative Society PTCS kan terekam kung genong bay tengka yagi self help group. Bagian la ban show kepisah bat syamakarai balasya bakan long hadu shposian. Na ka ke bagi show klam dan kam menyat iki babun ki kendon kumbalong hakibang. Withoro begladan Sautali gejela hakari kibala sedang ya kum gane cooperative society kebukan thab ek Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, bat menta ka Meghalaya.
And we have decided today in the cabinet to open up a cooperative society, an apex cooperative society of the women's self-help groups for financial services. And we are planning to call it Pla Tangka. So Pla is bag in Kasi and Tangka is cash in Garo. So Pla Tangka Cooperative Society, which will act as an apex cooperative body of the SHGs for financial services. What this does basically is to allow more access of funds through again a cooperative model at the top and apex level, where all the SHGs will be free to join this, subscribe to certain shares, and with a certain amount being subscribed in here, they will capital and the amount that we expect will be subscribed by the different self-help groups. And as they subscribe into this and they deposit certain amount, they will be given access to funds, 5x or 10x of the amount that is deposited by them. And the benefit of this is, of course, that the cash will be more readily and easily available rather than them having to search and apply to cooperative banks or to other commercial banks, which then delays the entire process of them working. So this will allow and act as a financial corpus and a financial mechanism and a system that will be meant specifically for these self-help groups. This is being done in big states like Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And Meghalaya today is now the fourth state to come up with this model. And this is again in line with our commitment, which we had made in the cabinet retreat that we had in Sora, where we had mentioned that we would like to see not just Lakpati Didis or Lakpati Kongs or Lakpati Abis, but we would also like to see that they become millionaire, which is 10 lakhs in terms of their revenue and annual turnover in a year. And that can only happen when they have got accessibility to funds like these. So earlier, the scope of availability of funds was limited to the particular VO or the CF that was there, and they were limited to only their groups. But now this will allow all of them to combine and come under one umbrella, and obviously that would mean much higher accessibility to funds and a much larger scale. At much larger scale and in a much more organized manner. And we're hopeful that this will again act as a catalyst to see the next level of growth within the self-help group movement that's going on in our state.